Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the Surface Pro 11. Plug the USB-C charger in and reach at least 20% so updates won't stall. Once done, attach the type cover or place the slim pen to pair. This verifies input right away. Make sure you connect to Wi-Fi and sign into your Microsoft account so Settings and OneDrive sync automatically. This saves time later and ensures drivers and firmware download without interruption, which prevents setup errors during the next steps. Next, configure the system thoroughly. Run Windows Update and install every update, including optional drivers. Repeat until nothing remains because drivers affect performance and battery life. Then set display scaling, power profile, and calibrate touch and pen so input feels natural. Make sure to install your browser, Office Suite, antivirus, and cloud storage client. Once installed, sign in to each to restore preferences. Finally, adjust privacy and background app permissions to balance responsiveness and battery longevity. To finish, create a restore point and enable OneDrive backup for documents and desktop so you can recover quickly if something goes wrong. Test camera, microphone, speakers, and Bluetooth accessories now. Verifying hardware prevents surprises during meetings. Make sure drivers are current in Device Manager. If you encounter problems, reboot first, then perform a soft reset to preserve files. If issues persist, use Windows Recovery to reinstall the OS. This cleans firmware-level problems while explaining why persistence matters for stability.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.